Okay, so in A here, 88,000. Okay, now for standard form, remember, we need to have a number between 1 and 10. So you've got to place the decimal point to make this work. Okay, now at the moment the decimal point is here, of course, because that's the whole number there, 88,000. So where do I put my decimal point? Well, if I put it there, I'll have 88. That's not between 1 and 10, so I need to put it here, don't I? So I get 8.8. You then say multiply by a power of 10. Okay, so you multiply by 10, and you just check how many places this decimal point has moved to get to 8.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So it'll be 8.8 times 10 to the power 4. Now, with B, okay, you've got to express this in standard form as well. Okay, but you have to kind of like do a bit of work here, okay, in order to make this easy. All right, and the first thing I would do here is, because you've got two different terms here, I'd focus on one at a time. So here you've got 1.2 times 10 to the power 5. Now the best way is to change this into sort of like an ordinary number. Okay, so this is standard form, get rid of that, write it as a normal number. Okay, and that's easy because what you do is you take the number 1.2, okay, and the decimal point you're going to move. Okay, in this case, because its power is 5 there, it's going to move 5 places. So it's going from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So it's going to go there. So then these gaps then you fill up with zeros. Okay, so this number is actually 120,000. Do the same then for the second number, 2.4. So the second standard form number here is that. Let's write it as an ordinary number. So 2, 4. Now because the power is 4, it's got to move 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal point's gone from here. It's moved 4 places to the right. It's gone there. Fill these up with zeros. So we've got 24,000. It does say to add them, doesn't it? So let's add them. 120,000. and 24,000. So we line them up to the right. We're going to add them. That's quite easy to do, isn't it? So when I add them, I start here. I get 144,000. So that's the number in ordinary form, okay? But I need it in standard form, don't I? So to get it in standard form, you've got to think, where's the decimal point got to go? Now, it's got to be between 1 and 10, okay? So it's no good putting it there, because that would be 14.4. So it's got to go there, isn't it? So it'll have to be 1.44 times 10. Well, how many places has the decimal point moved? Well, it's gone from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So my answer will be 1.44 times 10 to the power 5.